In this video, I'll show you how to sell my Shopify products on Amazon so you can connect your Shopify store directly to Amazon and start selling your products across both platforms without doing any of the manual work yourself. To make this process simple, automated, and fast, we're going to use AutoDS because it lets you connect Shopify with Amazon, manage your listings, automate your pricing, sync your inventory, and even handle order fulfillment automatically. So, the very first thing you want to do is use the link in the description to go to AutoDS. Once you click the link, it will take you straight to the sign up page. From here, just enter your email, your full name, and your password, or you can simply sign up with Google. After that, it will ask you to choose your selling channel. Even though we'll be selling our Shopify products on Amazon, we still want to select Shopify here because AutoDS will use Shopify as the main store we're connecting. Now, AutoDS shows a few different plans, and the pricing may vary, but I recommend going for the starter 500 plan because it includes price and stock monitoring, and it gives you higher product limits, which you're going to need if you want to scale. So just click Start Now, choose your payment option like PayPal, Payeer, or your card details, and continue. Once your trial begins, close the pop-up, and then click Add Store. After you create your store, come back to AutoDS, click I have a store, and continue. If you already have a tab open where you're logged into Shopify, AutoDS will automatically detect it and ask you to install the AutoDS app. Just click Install and Confirm. After it's done, AutoDS will bring you back to the dashboard, and now your Shopify store is connected. Next, we want to start listing products on Amazon. AutoDS has a marketplace with tons of products, but since we want to sell Shopify products on Amazon, we're going to import our products from Shopify into AutoDS, optimize them, and then publish them to Amazon through the AutoDS system. You can start by going into the Products section inside AutoDS. If you want to add products manually, you can click Add Products, then choose Single Product or Multiple Products. But the best part is that AutoDS allows full automation. It can optimize titles with AI, rewrite the descriptions, choose the right tags, and even select which images convert better. So after your product loads inside AutoDS, click the button to optimize the title with AI. You can choose whether you want it to sound more professional, more sellable, or more optimized for search. I personally recommend making it sound sellable so your Amazon listing stands out. Then rewrite the description the same way. AutoDS's AI does a really good job of creating long, clean descriptions that look like professional Amazon listings. Next, scroll down and make sure stock monitoring and price monitoring are turned on. This ensures that if anything changes on your Shopify store, AutoDS will update it automatically on Amazon. So if your product is out of stock on Shopify, AutoDS will mark it out of stock on Amazon as well, so customers can't buy something you don't have. And if you change your price on Shopify, AutoDS will automatically update the Amazon price, so you don't lose profit. AutoDS also has review importing. You can import your product reviews to make your Amazon listing look more trustworthy. They integrate with Judge.me, so you can automatically transfer reviews from your store into Amazon listings. Just install the app when it appears, follow the steps, and AutoDS will handle the review import for you. Once everything is ready, click Save, and then click Import. Your Shopify product will now be pushed into your Amazon seller account through AutoDS. You can check the status in the Products tab. It may take a few minutes depending on your product amount, but after it's processed, it will appear inside your Amazon Seller Central as an active listing. Now let's talk about order fulfillment. This is the part that takes the most time if you do it manually, but AutoDS can automate everything. Inside AutoDS, go to Settings, go to Orders, and enable the Fulfilled by AutoDS service. This allows AutoDS to automatically place the order on your behalf, update tracking, and mark it as shipped. You get a few free auto-order credits, and if you need more, they're extremely cheap. You can also set automated tracking conversion, mark orders as delivered, and add a gift message if you want your brand to feel more personalized. You can even override the customer's phone number to avoid Amazon orders requiring a verification call. To use automatic ordering, you will need to add a buyer account. So inside AutoDS, go to Buyer Accounts, click Add Account, choose Amazon, and enter your billing details and payment method. This allows AutoDS to pay for orders automatically when customers buy from you. Now let's also talk about pricing. AutoDS lets you set up automatic pricing rules, so you can choose your profit margin. For example, if your product is listed on Shopify for $170, you can list it on Amazon for $200, and the system will calculate your fees automatically and help you price it correctly, so you stay profitable. You can also choose fixed additional profit or percentage-based profits. You can even turn on Compare at Price to make your Amazon listing look discounted. You can also bulk import multiple products at once. Just click Multiple Products and paste a list of URLs. Then AutoDS can rewrite all the titles, optimize the descriptions, and publish them to Amazon with just one click. This is perfect if you have a full catalog on Shopify and want to quickly move everything to Amazon. Inside your AutoDS dashboard, you'll be able to track your revenue, orders, profit margins, and newly added products. The dashboard is really clear and gives you everything you need to monitor your business. If you ever need help, just click Customer Support at the bottom. They have 24/7 ticket support, live chat, mentors, a help center, and full guides on every feature. AutoDS also allows sourcing requests, and if you use this feature, you can even get custom branding. This means your supplier can include your logo on the packaging invoice, so your brand looks more professional. This is a great option if you want to stand out and deliver a more premium customer experience. So now you know exactly how to connect Shopify with Amazon, import your products, optimize them, automate your orders, monitor your stock and pricing, and run your entire business from one dashboard without any manual work. This makes it incredibly easy to start selling your Shopify products on Amazon and scale your business across multiple marketplaces. If you're looking for more beginner-friendly business or side hustle, I found a unique business model that 99% of people have never even heard of. You can combine it with free AI tools to reduce 80% of the work while making even more money. There's a free video in the description if you want to learn more. Just click that link in the description to watch it.